Today is day 5 in Phuket and day 5 को चाहिँ हामीले दिउँसोको भिडियो चाहिँ केही पनि हुँदैन अब आज चाहिँ we are going for night dinner and then like you know roaming here and there अब नाइट लाइफ कस्तो छ अब हेर्नुपर्ने टक्क हेरेर अनि त्यसको चाहिँ क्याप्चर गर्छु अब I can do it.
Hard with kids, but then we decided to go to enjoy this nightlife as well. So let's see.
This is nice place. I'm showing you the night street in Phuket, right? Just enjoy it. Phuket, no, Patong. Patong. Yeah, this is the old nightlife of Patong. It's see? See, this is the happening place in Phuket here. It's right here. I'll try to capture lady boy if I see them. We had to pay 100 baht to take a picture, so that lady is covering our camera. We're already near the beach. We're here.
Night for the crash. So sorry, this song. I love it.
राति पनि के
After the Bangla Road, now it's time for dinner, so we are looking for the restaurant. राम्रोसँग चाहिँ गर्न पाएको छैन त्यो छ What is this? Mango sticky rice.
Yeah, but I'm just eating the mango. I think kids will like it.
This rice is good. Try it for you. Rice.
Now we are on the way to hotel and kids wants to have some ice cream. We are ending off the day with this tasty rolled ice cream. Hey guys, I hope you enjoyed our Phuket Day 5 vlog. If you have not subscribed our channel yet, please do subscribe and hit the bell icon for more interesting videos. Please leave the comment in the comment box if you have already visited this place. And if you have good memories of this place, please do share with us.